Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Allstate account for policy and claims, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into your Allstate account, start by navigating to the Allstate website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to initiate the login process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Allstate account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your password for accuracy. Once both fields are filled out, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can access your policy details and manage your claims. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page to enter your new credentials. If you are a new user, you can create an account by clicking the Create an Account option. Fill out the required information to set up your account. Once your account is created, you can log in using your new email and password. For any issues or additional support, visit the Allstate Help Center. This will guide you through further assistance with your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.